Okay, dance break over. It's scary to look down. Our restaurant is right around the corner, right there. Looking for sharks in the water. I think I would totally see them. Ooh, that guy's gonna get eaten by a shark. That guy's gonna get eaten by a shark.
What?
That guy.
What?
Swimming all by himself.
He's gonna get eaten.
He is. It's clear.
I'll do it, recognize. Tape our view. What? Tape our view. Tape the view. Yeah, is it recording now?
It is.
Oh, it is. This is the view. We love it. There's the people. The cancer lovers.
People.
There's the people on the beach. Getting their tan on.
Getting their tan.
Yeah. There's Jen opening a bottle of Factor 30 Hawaiian Tropic. What is it? It's 3.
It's
3. Ow, ow.
3. Ow.
3.
3.
Ow, ow.
Ow, ow, ow. It's sheer touch. This is like, it doubles as lubricant.
We're slathering our bodies in lube.
Yeah. And then we're gonna
for that all over even tan. It's hot. So hot. Nice
You're
view.
all not going to want to miss this.
There's the neighbors. Morning, neighbors.
Good morning.
There's the skyline. Isn't that fascinating? This is where I drop the camera over the edge. There's the pool. There's one of them.
One of them.
The other one I can't even get. But there's the other one. There it is. There's the chessboard. The human chessboard. The MC's got her boobies out. Oh, that's hot. That's
like I'm ready to go to the beach.
I love it. Oh my god.
How bad does my look? Does it look good like this?
You know what? You look like, because it's skin coloured, you look like you have a couple of growths underneath your actual boobs, which look like they're up by your neck.
I had a boob job. It's not a good one.
It went a little wrong.
Do you want me to undo that or put this down? I don't know. Don't know. No, that's the plan of action. It's to put this in first and then take the bra.
Let's go inside, check out the condo. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's have a walk around, shall we? There's the kitchen. Here's my room, which is a little messy. It's my bathroom. It's very nice. And the wardrobe. Fascinating.